Hi guys, today I want to show you the unboxing of my Anker 336 637 watt charger. There are a 3-port charger. As you already know, Anker is the well-known US brand that make a lot of high quality electronic products, especially like chargers, cables and power banks. Okay, I bought it from Taobao. So as you can see, there is the China language over there for around $20. Okay, let me provide you the technical spec of this charger to the left side of the screen. You can pause the video if you want to read that. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Let me show you some specs first. You can see there is some spec on the back of the box too. Okay, in the box, as you can see, there is a charger itself, yeah, a lot of paperwork. Okay, up. Wow, that looks, it's not too big, and it's a little bit thick, but I think it's okay. Here how it looks compared to the original Apple charger, 20 watt. Okay, they are similar size, slightly thicker, slightly taller. Okay, you can see, but the problem is that here there is one port. Here you have 3 port for everyday use. Okay. Okay, I'll do some testing with my iPhone 15 Pro Max and my Huawei Mate. Okay, to see how it goes. Here I have the Anker cable, the 240 watt charger. I will make a review for it too. Okay, now let's try on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Boom. Okay, it's work. It's fast charge. Okay, the main thing that I really like about this charger is that it support my Huawei phone. I think it has Huawei supercharged SCP protocol on the second port of the USB Type C. Okay, well, here is my Huawei phone. Okay, boom. Here, as you can see, most of the charger they only give me a quick charging, but with this charger it give me a supercharging, a full watt charge for my Huawei phone. Okay, so for this price, it's a great looking compact charger compared to the similarly priced charger, but still it's give you 3 port. Okay, for all of your electronic needs. Okay, if you might wonder, this one is not the latest gun prime version. Yes, as I remember, the latest gun prime version. I think it's cost around $50. It has some built-in text that deliver a maximum output and intelligently share each output when plugged in multiple ports. However, I don't think I need those features, and this one is cost less as half, so I decided to purchase this non-gun prime version. So guys, so please like and subscribe if you like the video. I keep the contents coming for you. Okay, thank you all and goodbye.